Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you a short story related to the use of passive voice in simple past tense and present perfect tense. Well, the pattern of passive voice in simple past tense is subject plus was or were, then followed by past participle or the third form of the verb. Then we use was for I, he, she, and it. And we use were for you, we, and they. Then the pattern of passive voice in present perfect tense is subject plus have been or has been, then followed by past participle. We use have been for I, you, we, and they. And then has been is used for he, she, and it, or the third single person. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence, because I'm going to ask you some questions about the story. Well, now please listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence after me. Okay? The Taj Mahal was built in the 17th century for the Emperor Shah Jahan. A few years after he became ruler, his wife Mumtaz Mahal died. The Taj Mahal was built in her honor. Experts from many parts of the world were called in to construct the domes and to decorate the walls. Up to now, the Taj Mahal has been visited by millions of people. Okay, now please listen again and repeat to improve your speaking skill. Listen and repeat after me, please. The Taj Mahal was built in the 17th century for the Emperor Shah Jahan. A few years after he became ruler, his wife Mumtaz Mahal died. The Taj Mahal was built in her honor. Experts from many parts of the world were called in to construct the domes and to decorate the wall. Up to now, the Taj Mahal has been visited by millions of people. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. When was the Taj Mahal built? Question number 2. Why was it built? The next question. Why were many experts called in? On the last question. Has the Taj Mahal been visited by millions of people up to now? Right. Well, you should have partners to practice your English, and you should be able to retell the story, and then you can reproduce your conversation with your partners. Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.